students, how are you today? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to have multiplying decimals. Okay, you multiplied whole numbers before, you'll multiply decimals so you can calculate area as in example 3. Okay, modeling products, I have here a model. Okay, 10 times 10 grid can be used to represent one whole. The width of each row or column is 0.1, okay, of each column here, as you see. The area of each small square is 0.01. The shaded area at the right represents here the product of 0.7, okay, times 1.3. 0, okay, want to show you 0.7 here times 1.3. So there are 91 squares shaded, or 9100th 0.7 times 1.3 equals 0.91. Okay, again, let's see what's this. I have here a grid. 10 times 10 can be used to represent what? A whole one. The width of each row or column is 0.1. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Multiplying this, I want you to write this on your notebook, my dear students. Multiplying decimals as you would whole numbers. So decimals, when I multiply decimals, it's like the whole numbers. Then place the decimal point in the product. The number of decimal places in the product is equal to the sum of the number of decimal places in the factors. So what does it mean? When I say 0.7 times 0.3, 7 times 3 equals what, my dear students? 21, right? How many decimal places I do have here? Okay, 1, 2. This is important. 1, 2. So I'm going to write 0.21, 2 decimal places, as I have here 1 and then here 2. So I have here 2 decimal places. Let's see when I multiply here. Okay, I have here 5.82 times 0.41. So the first one, I have how many decimal places? It's written here 2 decimal places, as you see. And here in the second number, 0.41, I have here 2 decimal places. So I multiply 0.41 times 5.82, and after multiplying it, I have how many decimal places? When I say here 1, 2, 1, 2, okay, 2 and 2 gives me 4 decimal places. So here, okay, multiply 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 8, 8, 1 times 5, 5, okay, this is the first one, the first digit 1. Then 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 8, okay, 32, 2 carry up 3, 4 times 5 here, 20, 20 plus 3, 23. Okay, so then what should I do? I here add both numbers, 582 plus 2328. I add them together. Okay, as you see, I left a space here. Okay, in the second one, I left a space. Okay, then it gives me the answer to 2.3862. So I have here how many decimal places? I have here 4 decimal places, as you see. So I can do something different also. I want to tell you about it. I can just, okay, I want to tell this to you, because some of you are confused from the decimal places. I can do like this, 500. Okay, 500. Okay, sorry. Returning back, I can do something very easy. I can say 582 times what? Times 41. Okay, by this way, 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 8, 8, and as you see, 1 times 5, 5. Okay, moving to the next digit, 4. So I'm going 4 times 2, 8, right? 4 times 8, 32. 2 carry up, yes, 3. 5 times 4 equals 20. 20 plus 3, 23. Okay, let's see this. It's more easier. I can, okay, add 8 plus 8 here, 16. 6 to 8. Okay, go 8 here, and here 3, and here 2. After doing so, how many decimal places? This is okay, easier for you. How many decimal places I have here? Okay, 2 digits plus 2 digits here, 2 decimal places, 2 decimal places gives me 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it will be 2.3862. What about that? It's easier? Yeah, I think so. Okay, do whatever you feel comfortable with. So check reasonability. Okay, to check the product in example 1 is reasonable. Okay, round each factor to the place value of the leading digit and then multiply. The leading digit here I have 5.82. Okay, round to the nearest whole number. Whole number, it means ones. So here 8 is greater than 5, so it will be, yeah, I can hear you extra. Yes, bravo. So here it will be 6, 5.8. 8 is here greater than 5, so here it gives this, it makes the 5 6. Okay, 0.41, okay, the one, okay, round to the nearest tenth. When I say to the nearest tenth, so here 1 doesn't give anything to 4 because it's less than 5, so it will be 0.4, right? Okay, so here I'm talking about what? I'm talking about to the nearest tenth, and here to the nearest whole number. Okay, so here this is 0.4 and this is 6. 6 times 0.4 equals to 2.4. 6 times 4 equals to 24, and I have just one decimal place, so it will be 2.4. Okay, the product in example 1 is reasonable, right? Right. 2.4, and I have here 2.38, and 2.38, if I round it, it will give me 2.4. Here, as you see, I want you to see 2.38, and if I will round this, so it will give me 2.4, because 8 gives 3 1, right? Okay, my dear students, here multiplying decimals again. I have here 6.45 times 18. Multiplying decimals with whole numbers, I can here multiply it by this and then add the decimal places. It's okay. I have here in the first one 2 decimal places, and in the second one I have just I don't have any decimal places, 0 decimal places. So the total will be 2 decimal places. Okay, and here I have 3 decimal places in the first one, here 2 decimal places, so the total will be 5 decimal places. I can just do as I told you, 1 2 7 3 times, my dear students, just 6, and do it like this. It's easier, I think so. And I can do it like this also. Write a 0 before the 7 as a placeholder, so that the number has 5 decimal places. Okay, yeah, I want to show you this example. It's important. Here I have 6 times 3, 18. 8 carry up 1. 6 times 7, okay, 42, 42 and 1, 43. 6 times 2, 12. 12 and 1, 13. Okay, what else? Okay, again. 6 times 3, 18. 8 carry up 1. 6 times 7, I said 6 times 7, 42, and I have 143. 3 carry up 4. 6 times 2, 12. 12 plus 4 equals to, yes, 16. 6 carry up 1. I say 6 times 1 equals 6, and 1, it gives me 7. So 7. And here, what did I put? So I like to do it like this way, not to be confused. When I say this like this, 1273, right? Times what? Times 6 gives me the answer 7, 6, 3, and 8. Okay, how many decimal places I have? 3 and 2. 1, 2, focus here. 3, 4, I don't have 5. Add 1, add 0 here. Add another decimal place and put here the point, and here 0. 0.07638. So don't forget to add a 0 before the 7 as a placeholder. As I now have to have 5 decimal places. Okay, it's a must to have 5 decimal places. If you have 3 and 2, so the answer must be 5 decimal places. Okay, my dear students. Okay, okay, want you to see this answer. Okay, answer of 6.45 times 18, 116.1, and check because 6 times 20, okay, 6 times 20 gives me what? Gives me 120. The product here is reasonable, okay? And here, as I told you, when we multiply the both numbers by each other, it gives me 0.07638, because 1, okay, the estimation, 1 times 0.06 gives me the same number as 1 is as a mirror. The product here is reasonable, okay? Okay. So let's go to another example, multiplying decimals to find area. Okay, Central Park. Central Park in New York is a rectangular park about 2.5 miles long. Long means length, and about 0.5 mile wide width. What's the area of Central Park? Area, we know it's length times width. Right formula for area of a rectangle. 2.5 times 0.5. Okay, I want to multiply two numbers with each other. So, okay, I can do it. It's very easy now. Okay, 25 times 5 gives me 5 times 5, 15. And 5 times 2, 10, 10 and 1, 11. How many decimal places, guys? I have here 1 and 1. It's 2. 1, 2. Then add here the decimal point. It will be here. Yeah, it will be here. Okay, 5 times 5, 5 times 5, 25, not 15. 5 times 5, 25. Sorry, 5 times 5, 25. Okay, dear students. So 5 times 5, 25. 5 carry up 2. 5 times 2 here. Okay, okay, I've done something. Okay, 5 times 2, 10, 10 and 2, 12. This is the right thing. Okay. Okay, dear students, by that, okay, let's go. Let's do it again, because I think I forgot a digit. I want you to see it again. 25 in good handwriting also. 25 times 5, okay. 5 times 5 equal 25, okay. Okay, 5 times 2, 10. 10 and 2, 12, yes. Okay, this is a good handwriting, yeah. And I have how many decimal places? 1, 2. So 1, 2. So I put here, add here the decimal point. We can put it in different, okay, purple color, so you can see it well. This is the point, 1.25. Okay, by now it's easy. Okay, find the area of the rectangle 2 times, okay, area, length times width equal 9.42 times 2, and so on. Okay, okay, this is okay with you. Farmers market, you go to a farmers market, you buy 14.4 pounds of fruits and vegetables. The prices range from 0 point, when I say 0.25, I mean $0.25 to 2.10 per pound. What's the range of the amount of money that you could spend? Okay, calculate the least total cost first. First step, the least. The least here, what? The prices range from 0.25 to 2.10. Okay, so calculate the least total cost. The least total cost here is what? Is the 14.4 times what? Times the least here. Yeah, the least per pound here is, who can tell me? 0. Yes, of course, 0.25. So here I will multiply 14.4 least total cost, 14.4 times the least cost per, okay, per pound. So it will be 0.25. So after here, I want to show you, after here I multiplied 14.4 times 0.25. It gives you $3.60. Calculate the greatest total cost. The greatest total cost, as we see here, we want to go back to see, the greatest is 2.10, as you see in the problem here. The greatest 2.10 and the least 0.25. And we have calculated the least going to the greatest. It's 2.10 times 14.4 gives you $30.24, right? So the least cost for food is 3.60 and the greatest cost is 30.24. Okay, letter C. This is the answer of letter C. We choose letter C. Okay, dear students, let's go now to the practice book to have a look on the exercises. Okay, let's go. Okay, dear students, now moving to page 18 on the practice book. I have here estimate the sum or difference using the front end estimation. Okay, I have 4.1. I have here it's number 19. Okay, I have here this is the right one. 2.2. No, I want 2.3. Yes, page 19, page 19. Find the product, then check that your answer is reasonable or not. I have here 4.1 times 3.5. So let's do it together. Okay, 41 times 3.5. Okay, 4.1 times 3.5. 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 4, yeah, 20. I can hear you, right. Okay, 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 4, 12. Add 5, 3, 4, and I have here 2. So I have how many decimal places here? Okay, 2. 1, 2. So the answer is 24. The answer is what? 14.35. Okay, so 3 times 4, 3. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 4, 12. Yes, and this is plus, it's not 1. So the answer is 14.35. Okay, my dear students, can you see the answer now? Okay, we can take this for example. Okay, we have 0.4, 0.04. 4 times 4, 16. How many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. Again, in good handwriting, I have here 0.4 and 0.04 equals to 16. 4 times 4, how many decimal places? 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Put here the 0 and put here decimal point and here the other 0. 0.016. It's very easy to do it like this if you like. Okay, and then I have here estimate the product. Okay, number 10. Can you see number 10? I have here. Yes, let's do it together. It's very easy and interesting. 7.41. Okay, here the 4 is less than 5, right? So after estimation, it will be 7 times what? We have 82.3. So 82.3, what do you think? Okay, what do you think? 82, 2 here is less than, can you tell me? Okay, 2 here is less than 5, so it will become 80. 7 times 80, here 7 times 80 gives me 560. Another example here, this one, 0.46. When I say 0.46, okay, here the 6 gives what to 4 gives 1, so it will be 0.5 times 3.1. 3.1, it will be 3, only 3, because 1 it will not give 3 anything. So 5 times 3, 15, and I have just one decimal place, so I put here the decimal point, 1.5. Okay, my dear students, let's do another one to make sure that you understand everything. Okay, I have here 6.72 times 0.15, so I multiply both numbers by, oh yeah, I now first before I multiply them, I estimate 0.15. Okay, the one, what should be here, the one, it will change or not? Yes, it will change, because 5 gives 1 another extra 1, so it will be 0.2 times what? Times 7 gives something to the 6, right? Of course it will be 7, so 0.2 times 7 equals 14, and I have how many decimal places? 1. Okay, so it will be 1.4. It's so easy. Okay, estimation